Hi, this is Pat Walker at Mission Winners. Doing a recap of the major index ETFs, or the major industry ETFs. And there's a myriad of them here, but by scanning these, I know where to focus and what to avoid, things to look for. You know, a lot of people have opinions and forecast. Tremendous amount of what you need is in price and volume in the chart. We just have to learn how to read them. And it's what we do at Mission Winners, is teach. Just things to look for. And you don't have to overthink it. Here's the first one. By the way, this is sorted, all right, in alphabetical order. This is not sorted by percent off high or percent up on the day or volume. Just alphabetical order. You can sort it any way you want, but I'm just going to run it through alphabetical. So here we go. The biotech ETF's been moving up nicely. And again, ARKG, the ticker symbol is always in the upper left-hand corner. And what do they own? Well, they own biotechnology stocks, and it's primarily related to COVID-19. And it's doing well. Is there any edge in buying right up here if you don't own it? You're chasing price. Please be careful doing that. I'm not saying it's going to stop here, but it's just very important. Like right here, this is the spot to buy right here. Look at the volume. Up here, it's too extended, and look what happens. So we always control our emotions for what it's worth. Cloud computing's, kind of slowly grinding up. Nice to see. Looks good. Telemedicine, also related to COVID, lifting up. Nice to see. IBD 50. This was one wicked bar here, all right? And it's just chopping around right now. Perhaps it'll take out these tops across that line. That would be good to see. So we'll see what happens. This one focuses on the max list stock, and you all know what the max lists are, all right? Look at this. Slowly grinding up. What has it been telling you? Hey, watch the max list stocks. I love those stocks. Gold. This is gold mining. In literally 2 seconds, stay away from gold miners. The junior gold miners, stay away. Gold, stay away. See, that's great. Just boom, like that. Helps us on our focus. We don't need to look at a million things. Just look at the things that offer the greatest potential for us. Another biotechnology ETF. There you go, building a case. Technology. Look at this, kind of a big cup and a handle. What does this tell you? And what has it told you? Hey, technology's not a bad place. Medical ETF. Kind of grinding up, a little bit choppier, okay? Not as strong leadership. Home builders. This was really strong. And then it lost some leadership and came back. What does this tell you right away? I think I'm going to stay away from the home builders. There we go. That's it. Now, could it turn around and come back? Sure, but it'll tell you. But for right now, why put money in a ship that's taken on water? There you go. This one also owns a lot of big tech names and max list stocks. IVW. Look at that. Sometimes I have the ticker symbol in the chart. If not, it's always in the upper left-hand corner. And for those that want to know, this is the 50-day. This is the 21 exponential moving average. This is the 50 simple. Let me clarify here. The 50-day simple, the 21 exponential, and the 8-period exponential. Love these moving averages. There's about a year of work determining this. I don't know. My buddy and I did this probably 20 years ago on the ADMA. IWM, small caps. Isn't that nice to see? This was a bad bar, but then they maintained their leadership. There you go. This one, another one that owns a lot of the max list stocks. Look at what it's doing. What does that tell you? Hey, you better look at some of the max list stocks. There we go. MDY, mid cap. So now what does that tell us? Well, small cap stocks are acting well with IWM, and mid cap stocks have been acting well. What does that tell us? As investors, the rally's spreading out into various areas. Let's continue onward here. Love doing this. Oil services is picking up. Oh, that's nice to see. Maybe something to look at. Continue onward. Online retail had a good lift, going sideways. Pause here for a minute and just share this. It looks like in so many areas when you read the headlines that it's the end of the world, but a lot of the charts, online retail, is telling you that it's not. Now, I am not dismissing COVID-19 or diminishing it. That's not the point. The point is, if you take a look at the charts, there's opportunity there. That's what we're after. Software, look at this. Lifting up, nice to see. QLD, NASDAQ 100, we own this. Look at that, NASDAQ 100, the big guys. QQQ, same situation. Sky, cloud computing. There's a cup and a handle right here. Lift it on up. What is this? What, in one glance, what does it tell you? What did it tell you back here? Right here. What did it tell you? Hey, maybe I should look at the cloud computing stocks. Silver, what does this tell you? Stay away. Steel has been strong. There's a classic case. If everything's fallen apart, then why is steel doing so well? There you go, connecting the dots. Semiconductors, technology related, there you go. On down the line here. Spiders, lifting on up, hitting highs, all-time highs, nice to see. SSO, similar situation. I like the leverage on this, okay? Lifting up. Solar, kind of grinding on up, pulled back a little bit on some volume, but the trend is still up. Small cap, this is the leverage small cap, just like IWM. Here's TNA, here's IWM. Very similar pattern. This is not leveraged, and this one is. And I like that. There you go. Aerospace, look at this. That's nice to see. Biotechnology, another biotechnology ETF. That's good. Home builders. This has been leading. You know, I got to show you this real quick. We all talk about COVID and everything. Well, if that's the case, then why did this make this move? You know, it shows the housing was doing all right. There you go. Let's move this back here. Bear with me. Go back to the daily. Continue onward. Materials, hanging in there. Watch the charts. Communications, had a cup and a handle, kind of lifted, no volume, but another technology area. Energy, now picture this, some energy strong, but look at this picking up. There you go. Financials, all-time highs, folks. Industrials, near all-time highs. XLK, hanging in there, technology. Consumer staples, going sideways, not bad. Utilities, lagging a little bit. What does this tell you instantly? Hey, I don't need to look at utility stocks. There you go. That's power. I don't want to look at everything. I want to look at the greatest opportunities, the best potential. Healthcare, this has been COVID related, rallied up, faded, picking up a little bit here. Consumer discretionary, this has been strong. I'm going to show you the weekly on this. Look at this. It got hit hard, and then it's just been slowly moving up here, hitting all-time highs. Discretionary spending on behalf of the consumer, hitting all-time highs, and has. That's why I look at the charts instead of watching the news and everything. All right, because you watch the news and it looks like the end of the world. And again, I'm not diminishing COVID, but I'm here to make money, not read all the news stories. Metals and mining, look at that nice move. That's good to see. Retail, look at that. Check that out. We own Target. I mean, look, you want to see some? Look at this. It drops hard, hitting all-time highs right here. Right here in July. The week of July 24th. This thing hits all-time highs, and it's still going up. Retail, the consumer. There we go. Watch the charts. That's what we do at Mission Winter. Software, another technology stock. There you go. And we're back to the top. Anyway, I was talking, but this is a great list. It will help you. And I went through slowly so you could take note of the ticker symbols. Scan them every day. You don't need to look at daily or hourly charts in 5 minute and 10 minute. Just scan the weekly and the daily, and you will have a great idea of areas that could provide opportunity. And isn't that what you want? And a big moral too. Just watch out for all the news stuff that's out there, okay? I'm not saying be ignorant of the news, but again, if you read the headlines, it's always the end of the world.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.